Hey, hope everybody is doing well. Daniel Wheeler here with you. I want to talk a little bit about stem cells as well as go over a product that promotes natural stem cell activity in your body. So I'm over here on the Mayo Clinic website. So what are stem cells? Well, stem cells are the body's raw materials, cells from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated. Under the right conditions in the body or a laboratory, stem cells divide to form more cells called daughter cells. These daughter cells either become new stem cells, self-renewal, or become specialized cells, differentiation, with a more specific function, such as blood cells, brain cells, heart muscle cells, or bone cells. No other cell in the body has a natural ability to generate new cell types. So again, just to reiterate, every stem cell in your body can become another cell depending on what your body needs, which is pretty incredible. So it can become a muscle cell, fat cell, bone cell, blood cell, nervous cell, skin cell, or any other cell that the body needs. All right, and just a quick disclaimer, the information here is for information only. I am making no medical claims on behalf of Helix Life or myself, and please do your own research or consult a medical professional if you have medical related questions. And these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration, and this product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. All right, and right here is just a chart of the stem cells in your body. So when you are a newborn, every one cell out of 10,000 is a stem cell. And of course, when you're a teenager, 1 out of 100,000. At age 30, you have 1 out of 250,000. Age 50, 1 out of 400,000. And at age 80, 1 out of 2 million. So of course, the older you get, the less stem cells you have. All right, and the product I want to talk to you about is from Helix Life. It is called Stem. I'm just going to give you a little bit of background about the product. So the origin of Helix Stem. In 1929, a Canadian doctor, Dr. John Davison, made an astounding discovery. An extract he had extracted from the gel mass of fertilized avian egg harvested exactly on the 9th day of gestation, when given to his patients, created incredible positive health benefits. In fact, this extract given to his patients would accelerate healing processes of those experiencing several degenerative diseases. He performed many tests on the use of whole food product and submitted his findings to several professional peer conferences and publications. And one of his most famous successfully treated patients, a member of the Canadian Parliament, attempted to obtain funding from both his university and the Prime Minister of Canada, but was met with no success. Without proper funding, Dr. Davison could not get the support needed to have his great discovery scientifically substantiated. A few years after he passed away, and this amazing discovery of avian extract and its many possible beneficial health benefits passed with him, not to be rediscovered until nearly 50 years later. All right, so STEM is the most powerful source of FGF available. With STEM, your search for the nutritional fountain of youth just took a major step forward as we're bringing to you the most effective freeze-dried whole food to help increase the potency and efficacy of the natural stem cell activity in your body, fibroblast growth factor. And this can enhance your mood. As an adaptogen dietary supplement, STEM may produce a broad array of benefits, as well as mental focus. And so what exactly does STEM do? Well, in a nutshell, Helix Stem does something no other whole food supplement has been shown to do. It appears to create many of the same benefits that a vastly more expensive treatment of stem cell therapy does, namely to both increase the number and activity of stem cells in the human body. Since the role of stem cells is to both rebuild and repair damaged cells anywhere in the human body, the beneficial effect of Helix Stem is to generally turn back the hands of time and slow down the aging process. All right, so what exactly does Helix Stem do? Unlike many other supplements, they may take weeks to experience. Helix Stem can produce noticeable effects in as little as 24 to 48 hours. People have experienced a wide range of benefits from reduced discomfort, more energy, increased mental clarity and focus, more strength and endurance, better sleep, and improved mood and attitude, just to name a few. And Helix Stem may create many of the same benefits that a vastly more expensive treatment of stem cell therapy does. It has a whole body benefit. So stem cells have such wide-ranging benefits because they don't target a specific area or challenge of the body. They positively affect every area of the body. And Helix Stem is a superfood. It may provide vital nutrients that the body is lacking to stimulate its own reparative process. It's like eating a superfood. All right, and again, the benefits of STEM: it may enhance your mood. It can help with mental focus, areas of anti-aging. It can strengthen your memory, higher energy, and also a better sexual drive. All right, so just to wrap things up again, Helix Stem is an extract of avian fertilized eggs taken at precisely the 9th day of development, freeze-dried and then encapsulated for maximum potency. The unique combination of fibroblast growth factors and proteins have a body of research that suggests this meaningful food may help with everything from weight reduction to rebuilding cells all throughout the human body, from heart to brain, from muscle to skin. And studies have shown this extract may decrease depression, increase serotonin levels, decrease cortisol, improve endurance, and balance sex hormones. All right, so I'm going to share a quick testimonial with you. This is from Vicki Garrett. She is one of the promoters on our team, and she and many others have had some amazing results from using the STEM product.
Let's go over to Vicki for just a second, if she can unmute. Maybe she can't.
Yes, I'm here.
Hey, Vicki, how are you?
I am good.
Well, you just heard that from Margie. What do you want to add for everybody on the slide? Why should everybody be taking STEM, and what happened to you very quickly?
Very quickly, I had neuropathy to the point I was nearly bedridden, miserable, tried everything. And Dr. Tim told me about a product, noticed that over the phone, it sounded different. And he said, you should try this product called Stem by Helix Life. So I called and ordered some. And when it came in, I took 2 the first day, 2 the next day. And by the 3rd day, every bit of my pain was gone. And it was amazing. So then I started, of course, sharing it with everybody in my neighborhood. I shared it with my husband, which has a horrible back. He was born with an extra vertebrae and was kicked by a horse. And he started showing major improvements. My oldest son was using it, and he is a college athlete. And he said during fall camp, he didn't even get sore, which is amazing that would even happen. I've given it to my son. My mother is up in her 80s. She's having better blood workup. Her arthritis is not even hurting at all. She has macular degeneration where she's blind, and I've noticed she's seeing better. She can use a magnifying glass now and see some things. So it's really affected our family. And then that's when I started sharing it with everybody and realized they had samples, and I just order samples by the galore and mail those out and share them with my neighbors. And that's how I've built my business. It is a blessing.
Well, thank you.
And my personal testimonial, I've been on STEM for about 9 months now. I have seen an increase in my energy level, also improved circulation, and also an improvement in my vision. And as far as pricing goes, you can get STEM. It comes with 120 capsules in the bottle. One-time purchase is $119, and if you're a customer or a promoter, you can get a monthly auto ship for $89.95. So that's just a quick overview of stem cells as well as our STEM product. I do highly recommend this product. We have so many people that are achieving some amazing results, and we'll definitely be continuing to share more testimonials with you. But if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me. I will have my link and contact information below, and I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. You guys take care.